Related to that is the practice that we have seen in the reports and in the files, documents, papers that we have seen. Instructions. Before instructions, let me get to recommendations. Recommendations written by ministers, references to the director, please facilitate. What is the legal status of such recommendations or references by ministers?
Well, really, probably that is a culture that has developed, but really and truly, the recommendation of the minister really should have no sway. In principle, it should not, because what the director should be looking for is whether all the documents have complied with the requirements of the law. And once that is the case, even if a minister makes a recommendation, it should not sway that process either way. Be that as it may, you may have instances where in the public service, some persons may be intimidated by the fact that a minister might have written a recommendation, but in my respectful view, it ought not to loom large.
And when you have a situation where there are numerous recommendations, references, requests from ministers, what should the head of department do when you find ministers sending these letters?
Well, I think if it becomes a situation where those recommendations on the face of it go beyond the pale of a recommendation on the face of the document, I think some indication should be given by the head of department to the minister, the subject minister, who can deal with his colleague minister at that level.
Now, in that regard, since you have been at the Attorney General's chambers, are you aware of any requests for advice as to the status of recommendations or requests from ministers to process documents?
We've, as far as I'm aware, no. Since I've been there, no. But we've gotten requests for opinions from the Director of Immigration, the current director, in relation, and previous directors in relation to the legality of certain documents. And we've rendered our opinion in respect of those.